How to create username on Facebook page. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make username for a Facebook page. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So let me just get inside my Facebook account, and then let me just go to my page, and then here you can see this type of interface will pop up. Just tap on the page name, and then here you can see create page option, username, create page username. Mm, simply you need to tap on this. Okay, just hold on, and here this type of interface will be pop up. So here you have to enter at the rate RANDOMTECH. Okay, and you can just go for 123. You have to enter some number at the last. Okay, and then you have to just click on create the username. You can see here this is the name, so just click on OK, and I have successfully created the username of my Facebook page. So guys, thanks for watching.